How to buy crypto on ZebPay. If you'd like to buy a cryptocurrency on ZebPay, it is very simple for us to be able to do so. What we have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the ZebPay application. Once you launch the ZebPay app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then after you have done that, what you actually have to do is you have to go ahead and then select any of the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So you can use a search bar right there to be able to search for a crypto, and you can choose the currency from which you want to buy as well. Then once done, just search for the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and then tap the buy button. Once done, enter the amount worth of that crypto you want to buy. So if I want to buy for 10,000 INR, I will get this much of cryptocurrency. For that, then I can tap the buy option to proceed with the changes and start buying it. This way I can buy cryptocurrency on ZebPay. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon, as always, in the next video.